list of 5 websites that you can use to start making some easy money today. Now, some of these websites will pay you small amount of money every single day for doing basically nothing, while others could pay you huge amount of money that you can finally say goodbye to your dumb boss. Now, looking over to this site, Bank Journey, you see, just like doing some Google research, I found some of these banks that give you some cash bonuses just for opening banks with them. The idea behind some of these banks, when you get to open this bank, you fill in the requirements and you open another bank, you do the same as well, and you get your cash bonus, and then you close the account when you get your cash bonuses. And this cash bonus could earn you the range of $100 to $1,000 if you keep doing it the exact same way, and you will get the exact same result. I give this 1/6. Now, another app you can use to earn passive money, Survey on the Go. This app is not going to make you wealthy, but you can actually make money from it. There are tons of reviews online that people say you can actually make some change for doing basic tasks that actually take some seconds. But some of the research I have done, a lot of people claim you can actually make from $100 to $150 per month by completing some micro tasks with this app, nothing less than 2/6. Landing over to Perception is a survey that will pay you huge amount of money for testing website, mobile app from the comfort of your home with just your phone or computer. And the idea is very simple. You simply join the app as a tester and you get paid for providing feedbacks for the small tasks that you take. Now, what made Perception more better than the others? Many of these testing websites want you to connect your audio or video while testing. Luckily, that's not the case. You simply share your thoughts by screenshotting or sometimes screen recording. And what's even better, one quick task could earn you $25, and some users are earning as much as $1,600 per month. 3/6 on the scale. And we all know you're not going to make money from this app, but it can afford paying your electricity bills and more. Hey Piggy is a way of earning extra cash by answering questions for a large company like Amazon and Netflix, and they are offering several advantages and similar platforms, including payouts beginning at $1, and they offer thousands of surveys daily. And the survey you require to take are short, which means you have enough time to make much money taking survey. And Hey Piggy has survey that can pay you much as $200 per month, and of course, the more survey you take, the more money you make. I'm going to give this little piggy 4/10. Now, this one will probably be the easiest way to make quick money. Weibo is an investing app that gives you free stock like Tesla and more. Now, if you use my link down below in the description, you land on this page right here, and from here you click on join today, and then you have to sign up to open a free 100% brokerage account, and then you connect your bank to Weibo, and then you deposit $1 penny into your account, and you receive a 6 free stock for the potential to earn up to $16. So get started. This is a 5/6. That brings us to Match on Demand. It's a services offered by Amazon that allows you to make passive income on Amazon selling branded products that are created by you. And the way it works, simply create a design and then you upload them into products like hoodies, phones, shirts, mugs, and more. Amazon will then now sell those products directly on Amazon.com, and you will earn a royalty for every product sold. To get started, it's actually simple. You simply go to your Google search bar, type in Match on Demand, and then you type right here, request a slot today. Once approved, all you have to do is upload your design, choose your product, and set a competitive price. And even if you don't know how to create a design, in my own curiosity, you can use a site like Leonardo.ai. It's completely free, and the best part of it, the printing, delivering, shipping are all cost by Amazon. Amazon handles everything for you. Many people have reported earning anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month by selling products and designs by Amazon. This is a great website you can use to make huge amount of money. I'm going to crown this one with a perfect of 6/6. So if you're interested in selling brand product on Amazon with a goal to hit $1,000 in a month, all you have to do, go down below, type in yes, I'm interested in Amazon on Demand. And hey, don't forget, I'm watching you. Always believe in yourself. You can do this. Take care. Boom.